what's up and welcome to Kawaii Cookin. Today I'm going to be making the Heart Beach Sand Kit alongside the Fruit and Vegetable Stand Kit. Lena put it this way. She's like, you're at the beach, what are you eating when you're at the beach? You're having a picnic. You're gonna be eating your fruits and your vegetables because we're healthy. Isn't that right, kids?
Yeah.
Wow, you kids sound really old. Gross. Let's start with the beach sand kit first. I'm gonna set the vegetables and fruits off to the side and dig into this guy. I think it's a fairly simple kit. All we have to do is add water to some packets until they turn into like a sand mixture. What's freaking me out is that this stuff kind of looks like kinetic sand. I always wanted to try that, and now I get to, and I don't have to worry about dying. It's a win-win, everyone. Okay, let's open this up. I'm also terrified that this kit might just not turn out at all. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my gosh, shut your mouth. Are you guys seeing this? First of all, it has like Tetris shaped packets, but you have like a little sand, what is it, a sandbox? There's a soccer ball. The mixing thing is a shovel. If I still played with Barbies, this would be my jam. So this is everything that is in the kit. Oh, I'm excited to see what these smell like. So I'm gonna set these aside. We're gonna be putting this mixture into here to make the molds, and I imagine just like kind of placing these all cool like on this little sand mat, which I love. That's so fun. They thought of everything. I'm gonna need a little plate. Voila! It's just like magic. Love that editing magic. Or maybe it's real magic. Maybe I'm finally becoming a witch.
Is that how you think witches act?
I don't know.
What is that?
I was trying it out. I thought if I did this, maybe green smoke would appear behind me. Can you edit something in that like a little fart of like green?
A little fart?
Can you edit in a little fart?
Okay, I'll edit in a little fart
But
right
no, like
now.
I want like green smoke, like a little fuse.
So
Like
you want like a toxic fart cloud to
no,
be edited
like
in.
like I just dusted.
You're a fart wizard? You crop dusted everywhere.
You guys are like totally ruining my hopes and dreams after I... Let's start in with the blue packet first, because this is going to be ramune flavor, which I'm super pumped about. I'm pumped about this packet too, because it's gonna be pineapple, but ramune is my favorite flavor. Probably gonna taste so good too. Opening it up, let's give it a little sniff. Oh, why does it smell like that? It smells like hairspray and cheese. Am I losing my mind? Oh, did this expire? It doesn't have an expiration date. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pour this now onto the plate. It's gonna go right here. And then I add 1 shovel full of water. I'm gonna make a little hole, like it's like a bread, you know? I'm adding it to the center. Whoa, it's soaking it up quick. Ooh, okay. Do you hear those crunchies? This is supreme ASMR right now. So basically, I'm just gonna keep doing this, crunching along until everything is evenly mixed, and then in a couple minutes, it's gonna look like sand. So I'm just gonna keep chipping away at it. This is gonna take forever. Okay, it doesn't smell like hairspray anymore. I still get a little whiff of cheese. Is my fart magic? My fart magic cursed the ramune packet. I think this is finally ready. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be to mix all of it together. You just kind of keep crunching everything and then it blends perfectly. Hopefully this pineapple doesn't smell like cheese, because that was disturbing. That was so disturbing. We get a little whiff of this. That smells good. I would think pineapple would smell more like cheese than the ramune, right? My witchcraft farts. They're really tearing it up over here. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the ramune. I am going to make a little tiny hole, and that's what I'm gonna pour the 1 scoop of water onto. That looks crazy. Looks like an egg, doesn't it? All right, gonna keep crunching along until I have some sand. Now that the yellow and the blue is mixed, or the ramune and the pineapple, I'm gonna go ahead and do our first mold, which is this cute little crab. I was looking at the pictures and they got a little creative with it, so I'm gonna take the liberty to do the same. I'm gonna go ahead and try and make the little feetsies of this crab yellow, and then the rest of it will be blue. You know, that's normal though, right? Because aren't crabs like, their underside is a little bit lighter anyways. Honestly, I'm talking like I'm a crab expert because my horoscope sign is Cancer, but I don't know anything. So I've smushed in a lot of the yellow. Now I'm just gonna go in with the blue and see what happens here. It does squish in pretty nicely. It's starting to dry a little bit, but I think it's meant to stay pretty loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and push it in to the mold. Just make sure that all of the indents on the other side are formed perfectly. It's the worst when you're doing a sandcastle and then like you didn't push down hard enough. One of the top parts of the sandcastle looks all dumb, and then you look to your left and your brother somehow managed to make the perfect sandcastle and you're like, why God, why? I just want to make a sandcastle. It's a tough life out there. I'm going above and beyond right now. I want this to be perfect. I am usually pretty good at these. Oh, I gotta stop doing this. I'm putting the yellow right over, this started off real strong, and then no one caught what I was doing, and this is on everyone now. I'm just gonna try. Please, Kawaii Cookin gods, let this resemble a little baby crab. I think we're already gonna have issues. It's not coming out. Okay, I'm gonna squish it in, you know? Like give it a little, what do you think? Oh my God. It's not going! Oh! No! No! Okay, I fixed it. It's just like an old crab, you know? The ones that have the battle scars that look a little rough. Let's move on to the sandcastle. I'm gonna, you know what? Forget it. It's happening. See what I'm doing right now? Try and stop me. This is already not gonna be what I want it to be. You know whose fault that is? The director's.
What?
Gonna mix this all together. Pray to God that it doesn't look like a nasty kind of green. Oh, it looks like when you overcook the egg yolk. Oh God. It's like clumping away from each other. This is not how this was supposed to go. This is on you.
What?
I'm not even using the shovel anymore. I don't need to. I've gone rogue. Listen, I'm never good at sandcastles, okay? Ew, this looks so nasty. Baked into my skin at this point. Oh. Let's do what Lena said. All right, we're gonna put the sandcastle down and we're gonna give it a couple taps.
You're not even hitting it.
It is not. It doesn't even weigh anything. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to do my, it's the only way. Come on!
Use your fart witch powers.
Oh! Here at Kawaii Cookin, we hold ourselves to higher standards. Sometimes kits don't go as planned, and other times we're sabotaged. Like today, on this day. All right, let's move into the chorus fruit and veggie stand. I have a feeling this one might be a little bit more of a victory for me, personally. What could go wrong? Ooh, little foldy stand. Oh, I love that. This is nice. Oh, and it smells good already. Here's our mold. You just put the taffy in there, and then you sandwich this together. Push down super hard, and then you can take it out. What else is in here? Oh, all the different taffies. Oh, but then if we want to get different colors, we gotta mix them. This is a pretty simple kit. Let's do our little stand first, because I think that's the easiest thing to do. All we have to do is no origami. Let's bend this, and then this, and then this. I'm doing it. Oh, there's directions on the back. Oh. Take two. You fold it like this first. This comes out from the top. Okay, it didn't hold its, okay. How is this supposed to stay? If I just believe in myself. Oh, I needed to bend this. It's harder than it looks, kids. I did it. Look at that. Yes! That was so hard. I believe this is corn. It's not pineapple, is it? That's a weird looking pineapple. I think we figured it out. There is a picture on the back, and it shows us that the pineapple is indeed not what we think. It is green. It's like all green. And the onion is actually a garlic. We got the corn right, and I think it's like a peach or a plum. So I'll start in with the yellow, since it's the lightest color. Wait, this is edible, right? I really want to put it up my nose.
Why would you want to do that?
It's perfect.
Don't. Megan, no. No. Megan. Megan. Ew. Megan.
I told you it was the perfect size.
You didn't have to prove that to me, Megan.
Should I do the other one?
No. Well, Well, can you at least tell us what it smelled like?
It smells like lemon. Okay, I'm gonna put this in to the corn mold. Since that's pretty much all the yellow I'm gonna be using for the corn, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tiny bit of this red and mix it into this yellow. Because I think this is supposed to be garlic. So I'm wanting to get a little bit of a darker yellow, a little hint of an orange. I am overfilling these guys too. I'd rather overfill them and then like cut off the edges than underfill them and have space. We'll fill up this peach. So I'll add this guy in. I'm gonna put a little bit of green right there. Red, I'm sniffing it. It smells like cherries.
12 seconds later.
Megan!
I got it. It smells like watermelon. It smells like watermelon. It smells so good. You wanna try it?
No. No.
Sure?
I'm sure.
Lena, you always like trying these things. What changed? All right, put in the little leaf right there. And then I guess this thing is all green. So we'll throw that in there. We'll over flood it just a little bit. Then we'll add some more for the corn. These kits are fairly simple. There's actually eraser kits that are similar to this, but they won't be perfect, and that's the most frustrating part. Let's squish it together. There's little tiny holes that the mold fits into. I'm gonna push down super hard as it's overflowing just to try and create a really good seal around the fruit. I'm shaking, and that's because I'm not very strong. Candy kits, man. I'm not at that level. Ready for this reveal? Oh, that actually looks pretty good. Yes! This looks great! There's a little crack in whatever the heck this thing is. The corn looks good, garlic's looking good, the peach actually looks great. So I'm just gonna go in to the mold and tear away the leftovers. It's pretty satisfying. All right, that looks good. And just kind of smoosh in the uneven parts. Let me try and get this guy out. Oh, that was a little bit tough. Placing the peach, get rid of the excess on this guy. Let's peel him out. Placing the corn. The corn looks pretty good. Unfortunately, my attempt at blending for the garlic meant nothing. Placing it there. Is that cute? Is that a little fruit stand? Should I go ahead and try some of these that I stuffed up my nose? Ooh, whoa. It tastes like peach Lucas. I know you're really upset I put that in my nose now.
I'm so upset.
I know, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. This just tastes like lemon. Has a little bit of the Lucas taste. Why does it taste like Mexican candy? That tastes like melon Mexican candy. I'm freaking out. That was wild. So let's take a look at our finished kits. I never got to try the sandcastle one because I just moved on. Let's go for it. I think that kit was expired. Something happened. It like coated everything with this film. I like the taffy one more. There's something wrong with this. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Do a little shuffle. No, you don't do like that. You heathen.
This was edible, right?
You said!
I don't know.
I don't know what that word is.
I think we're dead.
Okay, that is it for this episode of Kawaii Cookin. If you liked it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. It lets us know that you want more. I really hope I make it to my second one because I don't really know what the effects of this kinetic sand is going to be. But hey, this one turned out all right and it tasted good, even after I shoved it up my nose. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe because I need it. Okay, bye!